Bluetooth discovery. So before a Bluetooth PAN is created, devices have to be located in the radius of 10 meters, because PAN operates in a radius of 10 meters. This will happen through a process called inquiry scanning. This is where the scanning device sends out inquiry packets on a set of Bluetooth frequency, and devices in the radius of 10 meters connected to Bluetooth will respond to the scanning device and will be shown on the interface of the Bluetooth. And I'm going to demonstrate it on the scanning device, which I'm holding in my hand. And it will be shown as below. When I turn on my Bluetooth here and I go under pairing new devices, those devices that were in the radius of 10 meters will be shown in the attributes of the class, the name, and the MAC address. Thank you.
My name is Maria Nakasumba. I'm going to demonstrate the Bluetooth pairing. Bluetooth is the most fundamental technology in a PAN network. It is a short and wireless protocol that is used to connect devices between a range of 10 meters. It connects over the 2.4 gigahertz. This means it uses the FHSS. This means that this device will rapidly switch into 79 channels to reduce the interference. So I'm going to show you how to connect these devices. I'll turn on my Bluetooth, go to pairing, I go to pair a new device. So I'll start looking for the name of the device. So the name of this device is called Cabrin Ria. So I'll tap in it, they'll bring me a notification so that I can pair them. I'll place pair on both devices. Then I will go back here on paired device. On paired device, then my device will be there.
I'm demonstrating data transmission over Bluetooth. In a personal area network, Bluetooth enables two nearby devices to share data wirelessly. The devices first perform discovery and pairing to establish a secure connection. The Bluetooth then uses the protocol known as the link management protocol for connection management and security. Then it also uses the logical link control and adaptation for data organization and transfer. Let me show you how data is transferred over the Bluetooth. So I have a file that I've selected and I want to share it over the Bluetooth. That's the Bluetooth I've selected. This is the device, and I'm setting it on this device as you've seen. Here I'm going to accept data to be transmitted.
My name is Asime Gift Mugisha, and I'm going to be taking you through file sharing via USB. So this is also considered a PAN application because it involves connection of two or more devices over a short distance to exchange or transfer data or resources. So for example, a user can connect, just like here, my laptop and my phone. I've connected it using a USB cable, and I'm going to be transferring a photo from my laptop to this phone. So this is the picture that I'm going to be sending, and it is right here. I'm just going to copy and paste it in the downloads of this phone. So as it has been sent, and right here is the photo that they have sent. Thank you.
My name is Abatavia Tatiana. I'll be talking about Wi-Fi Direct. Wi-Fi Direct is a pair-to-pair Wi-Fi standard that allows devices to connect without a router. One device acts as a temporary access point, then others connect to it. Mobile hotspots work similarly by sharing internet connection as Wi-Fi network. Let's demonstrate. Here I have two devices, A and B. We will enable mobile hotspots from device A. Then from B, we will search for device A. This is the name of device A. I will select it. It's already connected.
Hello, this is Milas Alex. So I'm going to talk about IP addresses, whereby for a network, for a device to be connected to a network, you will need a unique IP addresses, whereby for this case we are going to use a mobile hotspot. So for this case, for a mobile hotspot to be connected to the other phone, we shall use the DHCP server, which is going to act as our main transfer data. So for this case, we shall come to settings. Once we come to settings, we shall come to personal hotspot. Once you tap on the personal hotspot, it's already on. So in my other device that I'm having here, once I come and I connect into the Wi-Fi, you'll find that the name it shows here Miss Tatiana. So if I tap on it, you'll find that it connects automatically since I've already connected it. So for me to access her IP address, I will need to tap on it for the information. Then you will see that here we have her IP addresses, the submask and the router, all that. And for that case, if you want to check it from your computer, you can open your command prompt and you type in IP config, then you press enter, then you will see your IP addresses there. Thank you.
My name is Agwag Lydia, and I'm going to show you how far our PAN can reach. And as my colleague said, a PAN is a network that works over short distances. So here my devices are already connected, as you can see, and I'm going to show you how far it can reach. As you can see here, I've moved from my hotspot and the bars have dropped, and if I continue further, they'll drop totally.
My name is Ainembalas Oren, and I'm explaining the concept of security in a personal area network. This is done to ensure there's no unauthorized access between the two connected devices. It is maybe done by, for example, I connect two phones through Bluetooth, and there is always a passcode shared between the two devices. When you come to Bluetooth, you tap on the Bluetooth settings, then a passcode appears on one of the devices. Then when it matches, you come and pair. Then after pairing, it shows you a success, and then the two devices are able to communicate with each other by sharing data. Then up here you see Bluetooth being connected, and on the same other device it's also connected and data is shared.
My name is Muhira Karagonganzi, and I'll be taking you through the topology under the PAN network. Under the PAN network, we have three main topologies. The first one is the point-to-point, where two devices are directly connected to each other, as shown by my fellow groupmates. We also have a star topology. A star topology is where a central device has multiple devices connected to it, and that central device facilitates communication between them. As we see here, we have our main hotspot device, which is this phone, connected to three other devices here. Those devices are shown here. These devices are each connected to this. Then lastly, we have the Piconet topology. Under the Piconet topology, we have a master device that has multiple slave devices. And this topology is specific to Bluetooth. As we can see, we have a Bluetooth device here where two wireless earphones have been connected to it.
Good day everyone, my name is Nanchinga Shadia. I'm going to give you the different use cases of a PAN network. So usually PAN is for short distances, like up to 10 meters. So now I'm going to give you an insight of a special factor of audio sharing via Bluetooth. So I go to the settings here, I select Bluetooth, I open the AirPods, here they have shown, I connect. After it has showed it has connected, after that I can play my music. So we also have other use cases, which is you can tether a laptop to a phone using hotspot to share different data. We can even share data via Bluetooth.